Now that we've got a better understanding of what Word or just templates in general are all about, let's take a look at the simple process, and it's really quite simple, to be able to take an existing document, whether you've created it or it's one that you've received, and turn it into a template. Now, open in front of you, I've got an example file that comes with this lecture. Do feel free, download it. You can follow along with the next couple of steps that I'm going to go through here. It's called number 20, Word Template 01, and notice it is a .docx document. It's a standard Microsoft Word document. So make sure you download that. Now, the most time-consuming part of any template creation is creating the structure of the document itself. Something that you're going to be reusing every time somebody wants to activate or utilize this template. Now, this document, I've created this, I just kind of slapped it together. There's not really a whole lot going on in here. I've got some basic text up at the top. I'm anticipating I'm going to create a template that deals with travel expenses, right? The weeks that I go out and travel for training, I come back to the office, and I need to fill out this expense report. Now, rather than recreating it every time I need to do expense reports, I'm just going to utilize the template. So here I've got just a header up at the top. I've got a simple little table, 2 columns, just some information I want to gather about the users. They could type it in or print it out and write it in with pen or pencil. Down below I got a little table for them to put their actual expenses in, some additional comments area, and a couple of places for signatures for the employee and for the manager. Okay. That's it. But it's something that I can reuse because we're going to turn it into a template multiple times. I don't have to keep recreating this. Okay. Now, the process that we're about to go through here to actually turn this into a template is just a couple of steps. It's actually a simple save as Microsoft Word template. And that's really it. The creation of the document, that's going to take some time. Okay. But once you've got that done, you're good to go. Okay. So let's take a look at the simple little steps here, saving this as a template. So now that you got the document created, I'll go to File, Save As. Now you can see I got my document there, and right now it's a standard Microsoft Word document. I'm going to go to Browse, and I'm going to change the Save As type here. I'm going to change it from a standard Microsoft Word.docx document. I'm going to change it to a Word template, .dot template X. Now, the moment that I change that file extension, the type of document that I'm saving here, it changed my directory. You can see that it took me into a very specific location based on my computer and my user, into a folder on that system called Custom Office Templates. Now, in reality, you can save the template wherever you like. Someplace else on your computer, up on the network drive, wherever. SharePoint, doesn't matter. You can save it anywhere you like. But by keeping it here, Microsoft Word, when you actually go to use the template, will know where it's located at and will take you right there. So I'm going to leave it there just for this example, but just so you know, because you're probably going to want to share this with your coworkers or employees and so on. You could save it anywhere, or you could send it to them through email, and they could save it wherever they like. So I am going to change the name of this just to make it a little more descriptive. We'll call this Expense Report Template. I'll put a number after it just for fun. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And that's it. We've taken an existing document and we've now turned it into a template. It's no longer a standard .docx document, Microsoft Word document. It's now a Word template. Something that we can reuse and not disrupt the original copy of the document. Again, it's like we have our own little personal copy machine right here inside Microsoft Word that generates these templates for us. Okay? So do that here. The next video we're going to take a look at how you can use the template, but we first need to save it as a template. Create it, save it as a template. So get this step done first, and then we'll take a look at actually utilizing this template.